How to insert a signature in a Word document. Have you ever needed to add a signature to your Word document to make it look more professional? If the answer is yes, stay until the end of the video and find out how you could do it. So let's get started. Okay, first of all, we will open the Word document in which we want to unbind the signature. I have this document in which I want to add a signature at the end. To do that, select the Insert section and select the picture option there. From the list of options, we will select the option from this device. Find the image of your signature and click the Insert button. When you have inserted the signature, position it so that it fits the document. Also, if there is a discrepancy in the background of the images, you can select the picture format option in the top menu. Here we will select the color option and select the black and white variant. That will remove all the inequalities in our signature. That's it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.